How to back up your data on Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, and WhatsApp. First, go to your device settings. Then go to Accounts and Backup. Click on Backup Data. Click on Backup Now. It is done, just wait until it reaches 100%. And here how to restore your data from Samsung Cloud. Go to your device settings. Then go to Accounts and Backup. Click on Restore Data. Choose your backup to restore data. Finally, click on Restore. And your device will start restoring your data. Now, I will show you how to back up on Google Drive. Go to your device settings. Then go to Accounts and Backup. Under Google Drive, click Backup Data. The first 15 gigabytes is free from Google. If not enough, then you have to subscribe for a bigger storage plan. Then click on Photos and Video and make sure backup is on. Click on Backup Quality to adjust it if you want. Then click on Backup Now. That's all. It will start backing up your data. The last thing, don't forget to back up your WhatsApp chats and media. Go to your WhatsApp settings. Go to Chats and Chat Backup. Click on Backup. That's all. Just wait until it reaches 100%. And backup date will be updated.